For the purpose of this demonstration, we have replicated security loopholes of VPN setup, so that we can show you how MoreVPN secures work from home, that a mere VPN network security cannot. As in case of VPN demo, this MoreVPN demo is also a screen capture of work from home user's laptop. As you can see, the user's laptop is booting, and he automatically logged into his laptop, which is the same security risk as in previous VPN setup. VPN network connectivity is automatically initiated, again, the same security risk as in VPN demo setup. The laptop is now connected to the network without entering password, again, the same security risk as in VPN demo setup. The user now clicks RDP to log into Windows Server, as in VPN demonstration. However, as repeated attempts to connect to the server fail, the system alerts the user that server is not on the network, not allowed to connect, or simply switched off, as if the Windows Server has vanished. The user now clicks MoreVPN connector for Security Console, and manually enters Unix username and security code. If user enters the correct code, Unix identity check is passed, and the user is granted access to Windows Server. For the access to continue, MoreVPN has to be active all the time, and MoreVPN window cannot be closed. However, the user can minimize MoreVPN Security Console. With access to Windows Server granted by MoreVPN, the user triggers RDP and logs into Windows Server automatically, without password. Again, the same security risk as in VPN demo. User laptop screen now shows Windows Server screen. The user now controls Windows Server remotely, just as he would if he was in front of the server with his hand on server keyboard and mouse. He opens server configuration screen right on his laptop. The user now resizes Windows Server RDP window to show Windows Server screen alongside his laptop screen at the same time on his laptop. The user now brings up MoreVPN console window and terminates MoreVPN. This is exactly like clicking cross icon on window to close MoreVPN server console. MoreVPN instantly disconnects the user from Windows Server. All attempts to connect to server via RDP fail. Does this mean that MoreVPN terminates user connection and secures Windows Server on suspected ID breach? Let's find out. To verify this, we will start MoreVPN one more time. We will enter Unix security code and see if the user can connect to Windows Server through RDP again when MoreVPN is active. As expected, once the user passes MoreVPN Unix ID check, he can connect to Windows Server over RDP. But does this also mean that the user can stay connected to Windows Server only till the time MoreVPN security is active? Let's find out. The user now resizes Windows Server RDP window to show Windows Server screen alongside his laptop screen at the same time on his laptop. So we again close MoreVPN. See that the user is disconnected from Windows Server. And while RDP attempts to reconnect to Windows Server, we quickly fire up MoreVPN connector and enter Unix user credentials quickly. As MoreVPN reconnects user to Windows Server. And there you are, the user is now reconnected to Windows Server again. Which essentially proves that only if the user passes MoreVPN security check can he connect to Windows Server, and can remain connected only till MoreVPN security is active. As you can see, MoreVPN secures Windows Server in work from home environment, more than mere VPN network security can, ever. It addresses every single VPN security loophole. 1. If user laptop is stolen. 2. If VPN keys are copied to another computer. 3. User works from home computer or shared laptop. 4. When VPN is set up with automatic logins and saved passwords. 5. When there are multiple incorrect password login attempts. And, as you can see, instead of a single VPN encryption, MoreVPN encrypts network twice over, with different keys. MoreVPN technology does not need universal fixed static IP address. Which means, MoreVPN will run even if your office has Geo fiber connection, or even Airtel or Geo dongle. More importantly, without an IP address, this server is a ghost, camouflaged, behind a smokescreen, invisible, cannot be found on internet. This is an unbeatable advantage of MoreVPN as it delivers work from home computing security beyond compare. MoreVPN is cost effective. You do not have to buy VPN router, firewall or static IP. MoreVPN setup is done remotely by MoreVPN team. There is no additional cost of implementation. We are economical also because we are an Indian company and we are not funded. We are not under pressure from investors or stock markets to show profits. Which is why we can offer MoreVPN at such low prices. To know more, please call us on 932056825.